It is important to test your form throughout the design process. To do this, click the Manage Test button at the top of the page. Notice there are two columns. Users in the column on the right will have access to the test version that you are working on. Users in the left column remain in the current published version. In this example, we want Megan Jones to test the form with Sam Smith. Click Update Test to save the changes. This will allow you and other chosen users to test your changes before it is published to all users. Take a look at the form on the app. Notice the word Test at the top of the screen. This serves as a confirmation that the logged-in user is currently working in test mode. After your testing has been completed and you are ready to make this version available to all of your users, click Publish at the top of the screen. You will be prompted with an option to move form submissions that were completed during test mode to the trash. Click Trash to confirm, or click Keep to save them for future reference.